Hello, 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 and how the heck are you? It is the night before Thanksgiving Eve, as people say. I am about to make a cheese ball, and this cheese ball has been in my family for years, and you can't see me say my family and point to myself, but that's what I'm doing. Is this cheese ball has been in my family for years. My parents were school teachers, and my mom, her school, wrote a cookbook back in it started in 1968 to 1998, and this is the cookbook they um, did. And her recipe, you won't be able to buy this in any stores or anything, but her recipe is in this cookbook, and it is the chip beef cheese ball recipe by my mother. And I add the shredded cheese once in a while, and today I don't have any shredded cheese. It is fairly simple. My dog must have to go to the washroom. Give me just a minute. Okay, he will knock on the door when he's ready to come in. He doesn't stay out there very long lately. But for this recipe, as the recipe shows, you will need 2 blocks of cream cheese, room temperature, of course. So there's my 2 blocks of cream cheese. You'll need 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and this is, that's a close up for sure. This is the kind of mayonnaise that I use. And then some chipped beef. And this is the beef that I use. I buy a couple of them. They stay for a good couple of years in your cupboard as long as the lid is pretty tight. And then a few drops of Worcestershire sauce is the other thing that you need. And then just a couple pinches of garlic. I don't know why she chose garlic, but that's what she chose. And then a diced onion. And I'm going to use my onion chopper. And I know that most cheese balls, all you gotta do is wrap them up in some parchment paper or whatnot. Well, I have a container that I'm going to put mine in. It's easier when it's flat instead of a ball, because then that person could just dip their cracker or whatever into it. And and parsley. Fresh parsley. Mine did not come in my garden yet, and all I'm growing right now is sriracha. So parsley is not growing this season. It's in my greenhouse, not outside. I have a greenhouse, and I have a lot of radishes and sriracha and onions that are coming up, but no parsley, unfortunately. I did plant some, but it didn't come up. But anyways, I'm going to get started. All I'm going to do at this particular moment is open up my boxes of cream cheese. They've been sitting out for a couple hours, so hopefully they're soft enough. And I'm going to cheat. I'm going to use my mixer to mix all this together, because mixing it with your hands is one messy, messy job. So if you give me just a minute, I'll be back with you.